This video tutorial will show you how to attach your Smart Notebook lab activity into the discussion board section of the class. You can do this in two locations. Right now I am in the assignment section of the class where it gives me more information about exactly what I have to do. And here is the lab activity discussion board. Now it tells me here when I go and attach my file, I need to give my grade level, curriculum area, and how do I plan to use this lab activity with my students. So I could go right here and it brings me here to attach that lab activity. Or the same place will be right here, discussion board, and once again there is the lab activity. So I'm going to click right here and I'm going to click create thread. In here I'm going to put the name of my activity. And I'm going to give a little information before I attach my file. This is for 4th grade. The curriculum area is science. And then how I will use this with my students. Alright, so my students will use this rank order interactive as a center in my classroom. Students will first complete a handout on the stages of the butterfly, and then they will use this lab to actually check their work to make sure it's correct. I'm now ready to attach my file, and I can do that in two ways. The easiest way is just to hit enter, and wherever your flashing cursor is located, you see the little paper clip right here. You click to insert a file. Navigate on your computer where that file is located, and mine is in Documents. I would suggest that you save it to the hard drive of your computer and not to your Dropbox account if you are a Dropbox user. So again, save it to your Documents. I'm going to go and locate my Smart Lab samples, and there is my super sort on living and non-living. I'm going to click Open, and I'm going to put alternate text, which is my stages of a butterfly. Open in a new window, keep that at yes, and submit. It will then put a link to your attachment there. This is the easiest way to do it, but of course you can also attach a file right here by Browse My Computer in the same steps. Once you have the information that I've required, you can then click Submit, and it will then add your link to the discussion board section of the class. Be sure to spend time clicking on your classmates so that you can go and see what grade level they're working with, and it could perhaps be something that you would also like to use in your classroom. So that concludes this video on how to insert a file using the discussion board section of the class.